Hey, so I was getting ready to do some printing and I wanted to give a quick little tip here. If you've got an idea of wanting to do double designs, so you can see that we've got two designs on the screen. What do I do while I'm printing one so I don't mess up the other? My answer is typically parchment paper. So here's a quick little tip on using parchment paper and how to set up a double design print. It's kind of a cool thing. Let's take a look. Now that we have this taped up, I am gonna go ahead and do my parchment paper trick. First, we gotta confirm that we're gonna print this guy first. So I always go smallest to largest when I do this. And then I'm gonna just take any piece of parchment paper. This is the parchment paper we use for the poly print. It really doesn't matter what kind it is, just grab yourself a piece. I've kind of cut it down. It doesn't need to look pretty, it just needs to work. Now, I'm gonna come in here with a piece of white tape and just tape this guy down. It's helpful, you can tape off the back if you want to, but really, this typically does the trick because our goal is that we're going to just protect this area of the image while we print the other side. Now, I can go ahead and get this all registered up and start printing this left chest design. When I'm finished, I can clean this up really well, pull this off, and I'm good to go. All right, there you go. So we are ready to go ahead and start printing. That's been a really cool trick. It's helped me out over the years, and hopefully you got a little bit of something out of this video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe as well. Feel free to reach out to us at Ryonet anytime. We're always happy to help. Keep on printing and have a good day.